What is up, my beautiful people? It is your girl Melashaee. Are y'all loving the look? Can we get into it? Don't mind the hair because it's my flowers above my hair, but let's get into it. Subscribe to my YouTube page at Melashaee and get ready for this look. How do we get this look popping? How did she get here? It'll all be in my video. See y'all later. What's up, you guys? It is your girl Melashaee. If you guys can like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube page, and let's get into this gorgeous pink glam look. You feel me? She's giving the girls lip, eye, cheekbone. You feel me? Contour. You can see me jaw. You know. So let's just get into it. You feel me? Stay tuned. There I go. So let's get into this Milk of Magnesia. I use it as a primer. I got mine from CVS. You can get it from CVS, Walgreens, Rite Aid, Walmart. You know. So now I'm just, drying out the primer along my face. And we are about to start brushing my eyebrows upwards. You guys know how I feel about the eyebrows. We got to get it to the right shape. So we're just defining it to the shape that we want to have it for the day. Always think of me. Make sure Now I am using my dark brown pencil I get from the beauty supply. I'm just brushing it upwards on my eyebrows just to, create the shape that I want to have it. It might be skinny, it might be thick. I'm going for a cute, bold eye though. So we're going to make sure it's just leveled out so the colors can pop.
You got it, do your thing, girl. You got it, walk on my road. You got it, I give you what you deserve. You got it, best times gonna come with the word. But tryna argue, take the rush, shit as a learning curve. Keep my cool when she be tripping, cause I know they work.
So now, you guys, I am using my Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, and then my Juvias concealer. Don't give me the line, I forgot the name. And I am using the Toffee concealer and Pro Conceal just to put the underline under my eyebrow, just to, create a shape. For the fun of it, you never need another bitch, I promise. That's what I tell my exes, you feel me? But I'm my new man, he already know what to do, period. Love you, babe. I kid. So right now I'm just, filling in the eyebrows, cleaning up anything that, was looking sloppy to me. Because, it's your preference. It's whatever you want to do. It's your face, baby. Just make it. I'm putting the mixture of the two concealers on the top of my eyebrows just so it can give it a little dark tint to my skin tone. All I'm doing is repeating everything on the other side. Period.
Going niggas, I'm on the grind. Making this money, I have no time to waste, nigga.
Love a nice eyebrow. I'm going to always play with my eyebrow.
He said these niggas know that I'm magnificent. I am the obstacle, I'm succulent.
Now I'm going in with my light concealer. Look up. You feel me? Gotta make sure I get the top of that lid. But I'm going in with my light concealer and I'm just creating a crease for the eyeshadow to go on top of. So, I'm just aligning that with my eye. Some people say I have almond eyes. They be like, open your eyes. Girl, is you high? They're open. I promise you, they're open.
Get the post. Yeah, right there. Do it daily.
Monthly, yearly. I'm going in with my Juvias 3 palette and the third one, the dark burgundy cherry color. And I'm putting it on the outside of my eye just to create the, darker tone.
Nothing, baby, you see me, I am so.
Use that brush and make sure you are blending it out. Blend it out, sister. Blend it out, okay?
These are lames. My ex nigga playing games, babe. What did you say? He see I'm wavy gang. He see I'm in my lane. In the club popping champagne. I am just doing my thing. Fuck it, just say it.
Fun fact, y'all. So all my songs, you feel me, I write, we produce them myself, and it just be a vibe. Like the music itself makes you want to turn up. Call your girls, call your man. Like it's time to bring a vibe somewhere. I'm bringing you your soul back in the music, period.
I ain't got no patience for no bitch. Bitches really fake, how could you go and pull those shit, sis? Niggas, they be capping, it's not only rapping. I don't do no captions, these is only faxing.
I don't trust these bitches' life, it taught me that, I swear to God it did, period.
This cookie cousin, call it dark shit. Bitches who don't know me, swear to God I'm bougie. Bitch, you do not know me, you're a fucking goofy. I said.
So now you guys, I am going in with my Juvias palette 3, and I am using the color orange. We're going to make that the center of the eyeshadow color. So you know that bold color is going to bring the colors together. Let's go, darling. Y'all are going to get tired of me telling y'all, but you have to blend. Get those brushes and blend. Blend that eyeshadow, girl. Blend time. We are keeping it in the family. We are going back into the Juvias 3 with that color pink. And we are just about to put it in the tip of the eyelid. You feel me?
No, this is so crazy. I'm in the days I don't.
You feel me? It's not a makeup party with Melashaee if I don't bust out with no dance move. I'ma hit on Viv on y'all ass. I'm a fucking character, bro. I swear to God. Now I am going in with my Juvias TOGO foundation. I'm using a brush to blend this out, but this is the foundation to go. I kept bumping the camera, you guys. My bad, so that's why I had to adjust it. So now we are going in with my highlight for under my eye, on the top of my lip and my nose and my chin with my Toffee and my Pro Concealer color. And you feel me? We're just about to get these angles aligned. Align these angles. Y'all know what I'm talking about, period. Let's go. So now you guys, I am going in with my setting powder from Juvias, and we are just setting under my eye, above my lip, my nose, etc. We are getting that, you feel me, structure popping. When yoink yoink is the place to be at. Thank you. Woo, shit, y'all. I cannot hide it, the feeling. So now you guys, I am going in with my Juvias Place, my Nubian 3 palette, and we are using the dark brown shade. And we are just getting that contour popping along those cheekbones, along that jawline, that forehead, everywhere, darling, everywhere. So now you guys, we are going back in with my Juvias Place Volume 3 palette, and we are using that cherry color again, just to create some nice blush on them cheeks. Make sure you are blending this too. I'm gonna tell y'all every time I do these to blend y'all motherfucking face.
Like them pounds, I know you love them so.
And I'm looking good as fuck, like with no lashes on, y'all. Period. I'm giving y'all some hypnosis type shit. You feel me? Get into it. Get into the looks. Kiss me. I love you all. I love you. I love you so much. I love you guys. Period. I forgot my setting spray and my lashes. You know, I'm always forgetting that, but look at her. You a bad bitch. Period. Badass bitch. Ooh. Period. Ooh, yes, Miss Ma'am.
Melashaee.
New generation Pam on a bitch. Period.
See me up, little daddy, see me up. See me up, little baby, see me up. See me up, little.
And I am just like, I'm ready to go somewhere. I'm ready to call my boyfriend. Baby, let's pop out. I'm hitting y'all asses with some shit. The little Kim on the bitch. But all jokes aside, she looks beautiful. It is gorgeous. This look came out so perfect, you guys. And yeah, I'm a vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe all the time. Sing it with me. I love your job. And I am just giving filter at this point, period. I'm about to call my boyfriend, period. Ain't he fine? Not too much. I'm about to call him because we going somewhere. I'm about to call my best friends. They go one of my best friends. He go the other one of my best friends. Period. I'm going outside somewhere. Shout out to my bro Soul for the song, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Tap in with me, y'all.
and she fly.
So fly. I ain't got no fucking reason telling no lie to no bitch. Period. I do this shit for real. Tap in, self-taught. And we about to vibe out, you guys. Follow me on Instagram at Melanin from Detroit. Subscribe to my YouTube. And let's have fun all year popping. We out here.
With no hands, girl. Fuck the mother hoes, I'm living in your damn world. Light at the party, out here shining like a damn pearl. Swaggin' when she sway, looking sweeter than the candy.
Y'all thought I almost forgot. If y'all love my hair, y'all love my makeup, y'all love my whole aesthetic itself, follow me on Instagram, DM me, tap the link in my bio, and let's get these bundles, y'all. Y'all know I got the discounts on the bundles, on the makeup, on the clothes. I can get you where you want to go, baby. Hop on my carpet and let me fly you the fuck away. Period, Princess Diana. Period.